Howdy y'all, this is Bryan, Texas, Park Hudson. This is the trail, the path, looks like a river. It has a current. And it's coming over here into the creek that is usually only about 2 feet wide. And down over there, it's like a river coming this way along that grass ditch. And there where you see the concrete, the little creek goes under the road to the other side. Like I said, usually this is about 2 feet wide. Heavy rain today. Parts of Texas, there's serious flooding, water rescues. Even an 18-wheeler semi-truck had got wiped away into a river. The asphalt of a road was just getting stripped away. But this is crazy. Yeah, I've seen it like this before. I guess you call it flood control. But this is the park trail. I'm not walking through there right now. No way. It's swift. Pretty crazy. Heavy rain. Yeah. All that water at the edge of that grass going parallel with the road is usually always bone dry. All this water from the rain. Bryan, Texas, Park Hudson, July 14th, 2026.